Okay, because I was like, oh wait.
I see a lightning bug on the floor. I think it got struck.
Good to know.
Hey, your boat's is away there.
Oh, I got some of it. I got some of it, Mom.
Oh my god.
Why is yours so much more light than me? Mom, for some reason mine's just dark because of brightness. Yeah.
Mom, if I miss some, then I can just look back on the video, right?
You might get some more.
Mommy, maybe,
I'm posting all 3 of those videos.
Mommy, maybe all these are people, maybe know it's these pens.
No. Drop it.
This is true.
There's something to be scared of.
Mom! I'm cold.
Mom, if one of my videos take long, I'll just put a caption that says, I'll say, just keep watching, ...
This is so cold.
Oh yeah, I just got that.
No way you got that.
I got that.
You were still recording?
I got 4 on footage. I got 4 on footage,
Can you
buddy.
show me the first one you got, please?
I'll send you the first, but I ain't sending you the third.
What was the best one, like?
Probably the third.
I
No,
want
Third.
one good on mine.
I'm not giving you the third though. That was my best one.
I thought we were collabing on our.
Yeah, but you're not gonna copy the 4 on video, bro.
I know that. I just want to put it on there.
Yeah, but that's gonna be the same exact video.
No, those are perfect fits. I should have hit that. Oh, boy.
If you want something good, then you can record it on your own.
No, that was a foul, but that would have been a bomb if I hit that.
Mom,
No.
Mom, I've already gotten 4 good language strikes.
You said.
Woo!
You stay. Where you going? You're gonna smile.
Oh my god. You did it? Did you see it?
Mom, I've gotten 6 now.
Sit.
Grayson, are you taking pictures or video?
Oh yeah! Mom, I've got 7 videos of lightning.
in the car.
I've got 7. Mom, Nana,
What?
I've gotten 7 good videos of
You
lightning.
have.
I've got multiple good.
You guys will have to send them in to Mark Weinberg, the weather guy that Mommy watches. Here, babe.
I need to get on.
I love this. I'm gonna get so much views, and I'm gonna get so much likes. I'm gonna get so much subs.
Hey, you know what? Hey, that's what causes lightning bugs. Lightning.
But there's an online mode on this game. You can go against each other.
I don't got it.
It's a baseball. Hey, it's easy to download. It's just free.
Let's go, bro. Okay, no problem.
You get good one?
If I just want one more good one. One more good. One more good one. One more good one. I just want one. I just want one more good one. One more good one. Well, I've gotten 7 good ones.
It might be the one that we saw earlier. I thought you were sitting.
Oh, it's calling me fun.
Oh my god. I didn't want.
Once I was yeah.